Alright, hello crafties, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti and I am back again going over an oldie but a goodie. It was brought to my attention that you guys couldn't really see the color for the last version of this tutorial, so I'm coming back with a bolder color. Hope you guys can see this color pretty well on the screen. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the chainless single crochet foundation. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and jump right in. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to start off with a slip knot. If you don't know what that is, I do have some tutorials back on my channel for the beginner crochet stuff. I'm going to make a slip knot on my hook, and I'm going to chain 2. 1, 2. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is insert my hook into this first chain that I made, going through this loop as well as the back loop back there. Might take some wiggling depending on your tension. Then I'm going to yarn over and pull through. So I should have 2 loops on my hook. And now I'm going to yarn over and pull through 1. And then I'm going to yarn over and pull through 2. Okay, and that was our first single crochet. Now I'm going to insert the hook into the bottom of that first stitch, so that's going to be a little odd to see. A little strange to see. But I'm going to yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, and then yarn over, pull through 2. So your tension is everything with this stitch, and you want to make sure that it's not too tight so you can continually go into these loops for the length of your project. So I'm going to insert my hook into the bottom of that stitch we just made, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, and yarn over, pull through 2. I'm going to do that a couple more times on camera, and hopefully you guys can pick up on it. Alright, and you would go about doing that process over and over again for the length of your project. I hope this tutorial was better for you guys and that it was visible on the camera. And until next time, happy making.